Elon Musk, regardless of what you think of him, he's undeniably one of the best and most efficient business operators of our time. You can see examples of this in his companies X, SpaceX, Tesla, and Grok. He is known for rapid experimentation, pivoting, decision making, and building things as quickly and as efficiently as possible. He has been able to do this because he's obsessed with cutting out everything that moved himself or his team away from his primary objective. If you're a tech business owner or a leader, you can copy his 5-step process, which he calls the algorithm. Alright, look, again, it doesn't matter what you think about Elon Musk as a person. What can you learn about him? It's undeniable that he is one of the most efficient business operators of our time. I mean, look at the companies that he manages. The way they produce things, the way they pivot and experiment a lot. And they are always one step ahead of their competition. Hello, my name's Rick, and in my 20 years working in high-performing web and software engineering, I have seen companies struggling with their current ways of working, their processes, and getting products out to market as quickly and as efficiently as possible while gathering very valuable feedback and then acting upon that feedback. And not only that, but I can say with over 90% confidence that in most cases these companies wasted a lot of time, money, and effort. The way to overcome this might sound counterintuitive at first, but in reality it's pretty simple and straightforward. Let's go back to Elon Musk's algorithm. Walter Isaacson, the author behind Elon Musk's biography, describes a 5-step process that Elon built and eventually called the algorithm, based on his ways of working and his mentality. Basically, the main idea is to reduce bureaucracy, improve efficiency, so that then he and his companies will be able to deliver products and experiments and act upon the data gathered from these products and experiments. Here are the 5 steps in strict order. Step number 1, make requirements less dumb. Every requirement is somewhat dumb, and especially dangerous if it comes from a key person from within the team or the company. You need to be able to question every requirement and match it. This part is very important, by the way. Match it to a specific person with their name. Don't say things like, this came from the marketing department or the sales team. Match it to a specific person, for example, Mary Brown, so that then you can go to Mary and ask, hey Mary, why did you ask for this functionality? What are you trying to achieve? Are there any alternatives? Did this come from a specific customer or a real need from the team? Step number 2, remove any part or process where you can. Elon is obsessed with removing and cutting down processes and stuff. He even says you need to cut out even more than you think, so that if you don't bring back at least 10% of what you removed, you haven't deleted enough. Always keep in mind to revisit your processes. Remember, is this part of the process or this entire process needed in order for me and my team to go live as quickly as possible, to gather enough information, to act upon that information and to pivot accordingly faster than my competition. Point number 3, simplify and optimize. Nowadays, a lot of people are obsessed with optimization, but oftentimes they optimize things that shouldn't be there in the first place. That's why you need to go with points number 1, question everything and make requirements less dumb. And point number 2, cut down to the minimum, remove steps. What better optimization than to remove an entire step or an entire process? So that now that you have a very clean process in place, you can now think about optimizing, but just when that point in time comes. Step number 4, accelerate. This is a very important point of the algorithm. You need to be able to produce and go to market as quickly as possible, so that then you can gather feedback and act upon that feedback. That way you will deliver way faster than your competition. Step number 5, automate. This is a tricky one. Elon was obsessed with machines and software running his Tesla factories. But after a while, he found that this automation created bottlenecks and heavy processes, highly dependent with each other. And he ended up scraping the entire thing, replacing robots and software with actual humans doing manual work, So what you want to do is to start automating on small chunks, basically the things that takes time and effort from you and your team, and start growing slowly. Okay, so this concludes our video for today. Don't be afraid about applying these steps into your teams and your business, especially if you're not getting the results you want with your current ways of working. Who knows, maybe this video will help you. If you like it, please share it, subscribe, and see you in the next.